How to log in your Netflix account from PC. So if you have already downloaded the application Netflix on a device, then simply head over to it and open it. Once you open the app, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you are in this page, tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. This interface will appear on your screen. Now you simply have to enter your email address or the phone number and then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, tap on Sign In, and then you will be successfully logged into your specific account, and then you'll be good to go. But if you do not have the application yet, then what you can do is you can head over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, search for netflix.com. It will open up the official website of Netflix. Once again, tap on Sign In over here, and then you have to enter your email address and the password of your account, and then click on Sign In. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log into Netflix on laptop. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.